Hey guys, Doberman Rancho. So here with another update. Flowering cycle is looking good. Starting to gain some size. Trees are loaded, lots of fruit. Starting to get some of the fruit that's not gonna stay on. Starting to come off. A little bit bigger than golf size. Good and clean fruit. Haven't got rain in a while, so this is the fruit that comes off, starts looking purple, falls right off. And this is what it looks like. It's barely touching, just comes off. Even fruit that's around this size. So hopefully we get some. Most of it stays on, but we usually get like 3 or 4 cycles of fruit that falls off. So that some of that old harvest starting to ripen on the tree. I'm gonna harvest it soon. Yeah, making some good progress. Still having some issues with that trips mite. Other than that, everything's looking good. I'm getting some brand new leaves. And avocado farming is pretty repetitive. You just have to stay ahead of nutrition and any type of bug that mess with trees or the fruit. It's looking good. It's watering, feeding, spraying.